Gathered here a couple of bottle pump fizz keepers. One is like that, it's all the same brand. Pumps like this, and it's actually screw on. And this one is kind of like pop open and pumps like that. Let's say you only take off some of the soda in the glass. Let's see, right now it's not very pressurized. So we pump it. Wow, this is really easy to pump and quick. Oh yeah, right now it's like solid like a rock. So is it leak proof? Yes, it is completely leak proof. Nice. And then you unspin it and you see no bubbles came up. All it was is just pressurized air came out. But honestly, I like this one even more. And then you pump it up, and after we pump it up, we don't have to unscrew the top. All we have to do is just pop it open. This is gonna be pretty fun. You see, it's solid. This one is a little bit easier to pump it up quicker, I mean less pumps. Okay, now what we're going to do is just boom, open and look at that pressurized bottle. And again, this right here, the vapor is not the soda fizz coming out from it. It's just pressurized bottle because we pump so much air into it. Next we're going to do pressure test. Whoa. So you don't want to drop it, but first drop it did hold up. It's actually pretty strong. 2-liter bottle was a bit too much for it though. For the next gadget I got right here a zip bag holder organizer. This suction cup sometimes are not so good, but you know what? This one is pretty strong. Let's go try it out in the fridge. Okay, I got it to stick. Let's see, quick example with something like this. Yeah, it's holding. That's pretty funny. Very interesting gadget. I guess you can put it to the side. Oh. How about measuring spoons with the squeeze right here level? That's pretty cool. You see it? So let's grab it and try it out. It's going to stay all together like a multi-tool. Let's say we need 1 tablespoon of flour. Oh wow, it actually comes off pretty easy. Check this out. Okay, just like clear clips. That makes it easier actually. So usually you would have to do it on a bag, try to level it. Now you don't have to do it. You just go like this into your bag and wow, look at that. Perfect level. Check this out. That's incredible. Try it again. Grab it and then push it back and forth. Wow. I mean, you guys have to look at it close up. Maybe you'll do it a different spoon. Especially these ones are kind of harder to do. This is 1 teaspoon. Grab some, and it doesn't matter how much I got. Look at that. Just pushing it, and you have right here perfect level. That is awesome. You see that? Boom. That's cool. One more time, I'll show you a different view, maybe from this angle, so that way you can see. Just push on the handle, back into the bag. Perfect. This is incredible. This is actually works super well. I really enjoy that quite a bit. So just grab it all the way and squish it into the bag. Obviously I'm trying to take it out of the bag a little bit more so that way you guys can see. And then whenever you want to keep it all, and once you're done with it, I want to keep it all together, just pop it all in and lock it all together. That's quite nice. That way they won't fall apart, and it is easy to take it off and put it back up, which is nice. With those syringes, whenever you put them up, every time you take it off, you're never gonna put them together. This way it's a lot easier to do that with this. Also, I have right here another gadget. This one pretty cool. Look at it. You can grab it and scoop the oil from the pan, or you can fill it up the butter and you can butter up the chicken or whatever you have to. Let's say you grab it and fill it up this way, just enough, and let's see. Oh wow, look at that. Oil is going, and all you have to do is just spread it now. You see? And then whenever you dab in it, it's going to spread it. Wow, it comes out pretty good. Not too much, not too little, to where it's all oiled up. You see? Nice. And whatever you need to oil up the top of it or butter up. Maybe you can microwave your butter, so make it liquid, and just put it in there as well. Olive oil, whatever, use your imagination. Or you can just scoop up some of the butter and put it on top of it, what they advertise right here, you see? That's pretty unique gadget, that's for sure. So I got another very unique apple peeler. How cool is that? So there's a bunch of gears, you spin it like that, and the blade is gonna go around your apple, and whenever it gets to the end, it will reset. So it looks like you put an apple in, kind of small apple. This blade, hopefully sharp enough. Oh no, it's right here. Okay, cool. Okay, we'll hold it like this. Wow, no way. It actually works. Gotta back up a little bit. So let's keep going. There you go. Maybe don't go as fast. Whoa! And look at that. We peeled an apple perfectly, almost, I would say, because obviously this is quite old, so no complaints. The reason why I wanted to show you guys, because it's so unique. Look at all these gears right here that connect to each other. You see how I'm moving it forward? It's the gears are, you see how I'm spinning this thing? The gears are spinning. Let me show you close up how the gears spinning. There's a wire spinning this wheel, it spins this wheel, and there's a gears spinning the blade and a spring right here. And this is gonna go up and down with another spring. So clever. And once it's almost out, you see the gear about to fling out. Boom. So cool. Okay, another apple. I have weird kind of apples today, but oh well, that's what I got. Here goes nothing. One more time. Yeah, you see, just weird shaped apples. I don't think it's even a peeler fault. It's apple fault. Look at that. Almost perfect. This is just a weird shaped apples for sure. This is so satisfying. I want to give you another angle. Hopefully this apple will be more of a circular shape or something. Okay, different view. Look at that. This is so satisfying. Even if it skips it, it's finished off the job. Woo! And look, it did it anyways. It just kind of slid through. I don't know what happened. It wasn't touching the apple because this apple kind of flat. I don't know. But it did it all the way. So it's still working. I got it from eBay. And that was a score buy because it's gonna make an awesome video. It's just a fun little collection piece for sure. One more time. Boom. Love it.